This is the Crypto Chillist with a market update on January 1st, 2023. So this is a daily view of Bitcoin showing the initial run-up in 2020 to 2021 and then a revisit in the last half of 2021 down to where we currently are here at the end of 2022 and beginning of 2023. I have another video that kind of outlines my use of exponential moving average trend lines, and with this blue line indicating the current price. So the current Bitcoin price is below the 110 EMA for Bitcoin, and as long as we are below the 110 EMA, we are not in the trade at all currently for Bitcoin. So that's a daily view. Let's take a look at a weekly view. So as well, we are well below our moving average and 110 EMA down here. So not at all interested in getting back into the trade. We would need to rise up to about 16,978 to cross above the 110 EMA, and then we would be careful to look for a possible rejection off of the 220 EMA up here at around 17.5. So, but for the current period, we are not at all yet to get back into a trade. We would need to pass above the 110 EMA here for Bitcoin. Let's look at some other coins here. We got Ethereum. Take it the same situation for Ethereum. We are not in that trade. Let's take a look at Solana. Solana is not doing well at all. And again, we would need to be above $12.86 to be back in that trade. And the most recent price action, we were rejected off of the 330 EMA at $36.31. So that would mean that we would potentially have at most a price of $21 to look forward to, but that's even just speculation. We haven't even, no price activity or price movement up above the 110 EMA for now. So we got quite a bit of time there. Cardano similarly looks weak. So the 110 EMA up around $9.71, or that's the market cap, sorry. So for Cardano, 28 cents would be our target before we would get back into a trade currently for Cardano. Matic has been doing better, but we exited the Polygon or Matic trade around 90 cents. And we're all out around 87 cents, and we're way below our 110 EMA at 83. So we are not looking at getting into the trade there either. So it seems like Matic has the most recent bullish price activity of the major altcoins. So if you want to put a buy in, it would be up to you to do that. Obviously, your money. This is not financial advice. but you know, it would certainly be a buyer at 83 cents here. But as in the price activity prior, we bounced off of the 110 EMA and we exited below, so you're only in it for a short period of time before you exited that trade fairly quickly. So, you know, the environment doesn't look very great right now. So, all right, so that's my weekly recap here. I also wanted to look at some commodities that I thought were interesting. West Texas Intermediate looks like it has bottomed and prices have come up. I noticed that at the pump today. They're about 30 cents higher than a gallon, more than last time I bought gas. So we may have bottomed here, and but certainly it's not showing any great strength, staying above the 110 EMA. If I go to platinum, platinum has actually looked very healthy. It's risen above the 110 EMA back in October and is since above all current trend lines and is moving higher. So in theory, had we been watching this, we would have ended in the trade at $85 and we would be up around $98. And that is all I wanted to cover. There are some areas that are doing better, but many of these coins, you know, are just so speculative that you're going to have a buy and then a stop in a fairly short period of time. But you know, possible that they are opportunities for you out there. I'll release another video here soon about how to set up your TradingView indicators so that you can kind of keep an eye on your favorite stock. And for example, you might want to set an alert when the price crosses above the 110 EMA. And certainly with Tesla, it may have bottomed. It may rebound, but it's got quite a ways to go before it does that. And so I don't think we're in any hurry here in the market currently. So it's just complete speculation for the most part. You know, most of these assets are way below the trend lines, and for me, don't indicate any near-term potential opportunities. So, you know, it is what it is. We'll have to wait for another week to take a look. Until then, this is the Crypto Chill List. We'll talk to you later. Bye.